Here we have a 1970 Triumph TR6. Very nice car, has been restored, driver quality all the way. Shows nice, runs good, as you can hear it is running. Car's been done over very nicely. Beautiful British racing green. Has a nice hand-painted stripe down the side. It's got your Union Jack flags on the quarters. Chrome luggage rack. Car's in very nice condition. Runs and drives excellent. Pretty straight down the sides. Wheels and tires are good. It does have your wires with your knockoffs. Drives pretty straight down the road. Starts, runs, stops the way it's supposed to. It's a very nice car. 954-561-2499. If you have any questions or concerns, give us a call, or you can visit us at suprememotorsusa.com. It's a very nice car. Interior's nice. It does come with the tonneau cover. It has a boot. It has a bunch of accessories in the trunk. I'll show you the engine compartment. The engine's been done over very nicely. Got a bunch of accessories here in the trunk. The trunk's in good shape. Very nice inside and out, as you can see. The paint is very nice. The body panels fit nicely. The suspension's pretty good on this car. These cars are known to be pretty bouncy when they drive. We've owned many of them over the years. This car is overall a really great driver car. It shows beautifully. You could take it to your local show and win trophies. It's not a show quality restoration, but a very, very nice restoration. Nice car. Under the hood is beautifully chromed out. It's tuned nicely. The carburetors are doing good. Car runs and drives good. It doesn't have any visible rust. See, the interior's nice. The wood's in good shape. It's all intact. The dash doesn't have one crack in it on the pad. The pad is in very excellent shape. The top is excellent. It is a tan top. You can see, carpet's nice. Very nice, clean driver quality car. Done over nicely. The paint shines beautifully. The panel fits nice. As you can see inside the door jambs, it's pretty good. Chrome is about a 9 out of 10. It's in pretty good shape, the chrome. I'm going to show you the engine here. Wheels and tires are nice. The paint shines beautifully. It's very nice. They did a very nice job painting this car. It's not believed to be the original color. The engine compartment shows beautifully. It's all chrome. Got your SUs. It's working, running good. Starts, runs, stops. Does what it's supposed to do. A very nice car. We try to represent every car we have to the fullest extent. Full disclosure. Give us a call if you have any questions at 954-561-2499. We're happy to help at any time. Visit us at suprememotorsusa.com. Very nice 1970 Triumph TR6 convertible. Show you the convertible top here. I have to put the camera down. Go ahead and put this up. See that the convertible top is basically brand new. Looks really nice with the top up. Like I said, the paint and body on this car is very nice. Runs very good. The engine compartment, now that's show quality. Chrome, very nice and clean. Like I said, the car runs and drives good. It's got a clean title. The true mileage is unknown on this car due to the age. We are not sure what the exact mileage would be. Like I said, we try to represent every single car to the fullest extent. Give us a call, 954-561-2499, or you can text us to that number. You won't be disappointed. It's a beautiful, beautiful car. Take it out. The weather's nice. Take it to a local show. You'll be very happy with this Triumph TR6. Thank you.